Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Sora 2, which is OpenAI's brand new AI video generator, and everyone wants to get access to Sora 2 because the videos are so hyper realistic that it creates, they're going viral all over the internet. So basically all you need to do to get access to Sora 2 is go to Sora.com, and then you just use your OpenAI account. So if you already use ChatGPT, you can then access Sora.com. At this stage, it's still in early testing, so you will need an invite code. And if you're outside of the USA, you will need a VPN to access Sora.com. I've made a completely separate video showing you easily how to get access from anywhere in the world and how you can get your hands on an invite code quite easily. I'll leave the link to that video in the description. So if you don't have access to Sora 2 yet, you can sort that out first and then watch this video so I can show you how to use Sora 2. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in the browser of a computer. Currently, I haven't figured out a way to get access to the Sora 2 app on the iPhone outside of the USA. So what we're going to do is just navigate to Sora.com, and then you've basically just got a couple of little icons down the left-hand side. The top item is Home, and this will show you what all the other creators are making. There's like a For You style. You can switch to only people that you're following, so it has a bit of a social media element. You can follow other creators and see what they're making. And then you've got the top and the latest. So if you want to see the ones that are really popular and the ones that will potentially go viral, just select top. I think the quickest and easiest way to find viral trends here is just go to the top area and then find a video that you like. So once you've found a video you like, here's one of two monkeys riding on a motorbike. Just click on it and then you can make your own original version of that by hitting this little icon here, which is the remix button. One thing I always like to do is just click like. That way you've got, when you visit your profile, there's a history of the ones that you can remix. So when you remix this, you're basically giving it a prompt. Say, I'm going to write here, instead of monkeys, it's a panda. So then hit the little up arrow here, and under the settings, you can select whether it's portrait or landscape. And you can also select 10 or 15 seconds. So when you're remixing, it's pretty simple. You just put a little prompt in there and then hit the create video button. These typically take around a minute to generate. Sometimes it's a bit quicker depending on how busy the server is. Now, another way that you can create videos is just directly from a prompt, just an idea that you have. To do this, what we're going to do is go down to the little profile icon. That's your profile there. And this will show all of the videos that you have published. And then up on the top left, these are all of the drafts, which means these are videos that you have created, but you haven't published yet. So I'm just going to steal a prompt from one that I made earlier and then paste it in down here. It says a cat DJ with a DJ booth is on the front porch of somebody's house with DJ lights, and there is a rave happening with lots of raccoons dancing. Point of view from the Ring camera. And then just hit create video, and then that video will now generate in your drafts. Once a video is, you can see these are two videos that are generating right here. It's going to have the little ring with the waiting sign. Once you have a video that you've created and you want to download that to your computer, you're just going to click on the video and then find the three little dots and select download. You can even remix your own videos if it's very close, or if you want to make a variation. So I could make a version of this where there are like puppies dancing or possums or something. But I'm going to click download, and then you can just save that to your computer. Just select the folder where you want to save it. One of the other features of Sora 2 that you can use is a cameo. So when you're prompting, you can actually use a consistent character in all of your videos. You can't upload a photo of a real person, but you can upload characters that you've created with AI. You can create your own, or you can try using other characters that other people have made. And you just click on the character and it will pop the little @ of that character, and then you type in your prompt as per normal. Now, If you want to upload these to your social media and you want to monetize these videos, as in you can put them on your YouTube or your Facebook or anything like TikTok that has a monetization program, there is an issue because Sora 2 plasters the videos it creates with a really large, really distracting watermark. And OpenAI have said they've done this because the videos are so real that they don't want people to get confused. They want them to know that they're watching an AI video, which I think is kind of ridiculous. So currently the only way around this is using some kind of watermark remover, which is also kind of annoying because it leaves a blur in the spot where the watermark is. The best solution that I have for this at the moment is using the website OpenAI, because they have access to the Sora 2 video model and you can access this website from anywhere in the world. So if you don't want to be bothered using a VPN or anything like that, you can just get a free OpenAI account, and they have Sora 2 inbuilt within their website, and you can generate videos watermark-free. All you need to do is go to OpenAI and get a free account. Go to video on the left-hand side. From there, you're going to select text to video, and then we would just now enter our prompt in here as per normal, as we would on the Sora 2 website. And just make sure under select model, you've got Sora 2 selected, because OpenAI does give you access to all the other leading AI video generation models. So if you want to try out VO 3 or WAN 2 or any of those, you can. But for Sora 2, you also have some extra options. You have access to the Pro version of Sora 2, which will give you a much higher quality output. Now, OpenAI will let you create a few videos for free, but if you want to generate lots of content, it is a paid service. I am an affiliate of OpenAI, so you can get 50% off if you want to use the link that I've left in the pinned comment and the description of this video. One other feature that OpenAI has that Sora AI doesn't is you can actually prompt it with an image. So you can upload an image of yourself and then tell it to create a video based around your likeness, which Sora 2 doesn't allow you to do currently. You also have the option of creating a 4, an 8, or a 12-second video and selecting 720p or 1080p. So go out and create a bunch of videos, have some fun with Sora 2. If you want to monetize them on your YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, I would use the OpenAI to generate them without a watermark. But if you don't want to use the paid service, give Magic Eraser a go for getting rid of those watermarks. I found it to be probably the best one out of the ones that I've tested. Make sure you subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel while you're here, and drop a comment if you've got any questions about the content you've seen in this video today. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.